Hello everybody, today I'd like to share with you a design team package that I've received from bbcraft.com. They were generous enough to ask me if I'd like to design for them again for the next few weeks, and I eagerly said yes. They have some wonderful things on their website. It's not just beads, there's all sorts of lovely crafting things, and if you see in my playlist from bbcraft.com just a sampling of the things that I've received that they sell on their site. So the first thing they have sent me are these lovely stickers, these gem stickers, and there are 6 packs of gem stickers that you purchase, and it comes in all these different sizes. I think there's 3 or 4 different sizes. Yes, 4 different sizes. And how wonderful is that? I'm always looking for little gems, and if you're using it on fabric or anything like that, all you have to do is put a little dot of glue behind it to ensure that it sticks to your fabric properly. So that's the first thing they've sent me this time around, so that's really lovely, isn't it? And the second thing they have sent me, I've got my bag upside down here, little stick pins or brooch pins. Let me just open it for you. And these are from Panda Hall Elite that BB Crafts sell. Comes very nicely packaged. Yes, these are those lovely little, and I think there's 20 in this pack. And they are we'll say about 2.5 from top to base, which is of course about just over 6 centimeters, and they have this lovely little base here that you can either glue or stitch your embellishments to, and you can use these on your projects rather than just having them to stand up. If you've got a project, I'm just looking around, oh, I've packed it away. Okay, so say you've got a project, a book, say. It's got the lovely little cover for the bottom there as well. You put it on your book, but see how it lays nice and flat. You don't have to put your beading behind it, and then you can embellish the front and it doesn't stick up too far. And for safety's sake, you've got your little cap that goes on the bottom there. So they're going to be lovely to play around with, and it has been a while since I've made some stick pins, so that'll be a lot of fun. And I will do some stitching and I will do some gluing as well, and just to show you how it's done. So that's wonderful. So there's 20 of those in the pack, and I will put a link in the description box below to the products that I've received. And the next thing that they sent me is some dies. Oh wow, isn't this wonderful? Oh, because you know I only have like 4 or 5 dies. Oh, isn't that lovely? So we have this one here. It's like a snowflake, isn't it? It's beautiful. And then we have a heart shape, and it's full of all little hearts. And there's another snowflake. So this one's more a snowflake, and this is a really pretty snowflake, I would say. You could probably use that for other things as well. Very nice, very nice. Then we have a heart. Oh, I'm interested to see how these turn out. That'll be lovely. Give me some practice with my, oh look, see, this is Give me some more practice with my die cutting machine. I think that, so that can fit in there like that. Is that right? Or are they two separate? I think they're two separate ones actually, because they don't, oh they do match up. Look at that. They do match up. Oh, lovely. So that's like a doily, that bigger one. And then the last one is another doily one. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Okay, so we'll have some fun with those. I'll have to practice a little bit. I'm not a proficient die cutter, but I'm sure I'll learn. And the next thing they have sent me is these metal pieces and the glass domes that go over them, like for the cabochons. How wonderful. Look at this. So there's the, let me just get one out for you. And they're flat back. So we've got that. And it goes on like that. And then you put a picture or something, and they are flat back. Very nice. And they are glass. And that's a bronze. Then we have like brass and gold. So there's 3 different colorways, and there's different styles as well. Like there's little ones. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Oh, that's wonderful. So there's a whole packet here, and I'll put on the screen exactly how many you get. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I better put that where I can see it so I don't lose it. And then next we have this, which is, oh, here we go. This is something special. And something very delicate. I might leave that in there. This is some leafing. And I have to be very careful with this. I might actually just cut the side of the bag a bit so I don't have to squish it to get it out. This is some leafing, and there are 3 different leaves in here. The first one, I might have that upside down, I think I do. Okay, so the first one is some silver leafing, and you know it's very, very delicate. See how it just touches, and it touches to your skin. So we have a pack of silver leafing. Be very careful, Jeanette. And then we have a pack of gold leafing. And then we have a pack of the rose gold leafing. And they're all separated by a tissue, a layer of tissue, so that you can pick it up with the tissue. And I'm going to have to teach myself how to do this. This is faux leafing. It's not real gold, it's not real silver, but it is very delicate and very usable in crafting. So that is going to be wonderful, especially now that it's Christmas time and it's sparkle season. And I think the last thing that they have sent me is, oh, I love this. It's metal bling chain. How wonderful. This is gold, and this is silver, and this is 4mm. You may recall I got the smaller size a few months ago, and I think, if I recall, that might be 3mm. And I've used that on a few projects. So now I have the 4 in the silver and the 4 in the gold, which is perfect for Christmas time because there's going to be lots of sparkly projects coming up. So there we go. They are my lovely, lovely design items from babycraft.com. I hope you will join me in the upcoming tutorials that I make using these lovely items, and like I said, I will put links to all of these in the description box below. So there you go. Thank you for watching today. Take care, and I'll see you soon using some of these lovely items. Bye bye.